Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create beautiful mockup on Figma. You can see this sign in page mockup that we did very fine. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on Figma with simple plugins. So guys, you have to stick to the end of this video to find out how we did this. So if you are new to this channel, and you can subscribe to this channel if you want to find value in this channel, and if you like the video, if you like the content we create, you can like the video. So let's head over to the video. Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create mockup in Figma. We are going to be using some plugins. So first of all, go over to Figma. So you can choose any of the 5 mockup that you want to turn to mockup. So in this video I'm going to use the video I did before. So you go over to plugins and you have to search for Artboard mockup. You can see it. So I already have Artboard mockup installed for your own. If you don't have it installed, you run it, then you let it to load. This free and paid, so we are going for the free one. The free ones are actually nice. So what we do, select anyone you like, let it load. So this one has loaded, this flying iPhone 12 mockup. So I go over to my design already, so the frame, so I click on Ctrl D, just duplicate it. As you duplicate it, drag it over to it. Don't mind if it does not fit. Then if you have placed it over it, then you can use key. Just press key on your keyboard. It will help you to resize it. Let me go over to the right. You can see it's showing scale in the right hand side. Or if you just put it on top of it and you want to just fit probably, you can either copy the exact width and height in the flying iPhone 12 and replace it in the iPhone 13 and 14 frame. So after doing all of that, you can go over to the Artboard mockup, then you render selected frame. You click on the flying iPhone 12 frame, then render selected frame. Then you see that it shows. So you can see how beautiful it is. So what I want to do now, I want to export it so that I'll see my design. So I click on export. So let's see how it's going to be like. You can see how beautiful it is. So that's it for that. So fine, we move over to the next one. It's called Clay Mockup 3D. This other one is actually nice. I personally like this other one. I do like this other one very well. Both are nice. So you just go to your plugins and search for it. You run it, but just search for it for Clay Mockup 3D. That's it. Then you click on run. So any of the frame that you click, it will just show. So we don't want that, so we just click on the frame we want, which is this. For this sign in, click on sign in, it's going to show. So it's showing white is these are we can actually rotate it the way we like. So um you can actually change the color. So that's the angle preset. So if you want to change the color, you can copy the S code of the color you want to choose. So that's the front right. So I want to change to black. So I know black S code, then I paste black S code, browse it for the S code you want. So this black, I've pasted the black S code. So you see how fine it is. You can rotate it as you want. So you see how fine it is. So there are different, you can use MacBook, Mac Pro. So click on save image. I want to export it to get in my system. So I click on export image. So that's it. Okay guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe and like this video.